Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process that I have followed to learn and master the skill of copywriting. As a complete beginner, you can do the same to master the skill. If you are someone who is struggling to write copy from scratch, down getting the words what to write and just looking the blank cursor on the dock and thinking what to write, what not to write, or you are someone who needs some clarity to know that you are on a right track or not, then this video is for you. Stick till the end because after watching this video, there's no need for you to pay thousands of dollars to some random guru online, which gonna waste your time, money, and your energy as well. So let's get started. Before moving forward to the steps, I need to clear this two doubts which most of the beginners have in their mind, which is what is copywriting. In one line, I can say copywriting is about using words to evoke emotion and guide the right reader to take action. Simple. Second one, why do I need to learn copywriting? But the truth is, most business owners just don't have the time to develop this skill. They don't know how to write a copy that converts, right? They simply delegate this task to someone, a freelancer, a agency, or a copywriter. I hope this point is clear. Let's move ahead. The 4 steps I would follow if I need to start my copywriting journey in 2025. Step 3 is the most important one. If you ignore that, you will stay stuck in the same loop over and over again and sit and think about why the fuck I am not getting results. Step 1, master the fundamental of copywriting. I'm going to suggest you 3 books which helped me a lot in my writing journey. First one is Copywriting Secret. Second one is Take Their Money. And the third one is Exactly What to Say. And I highly recommend you go and buy the physical copy and start reading and make notes, because you're gonna learn a lot of concepts, right, which you're not gonna see or which you're not gonna adapt from any 10 to 15 minutes YouTube video, right? What are the concepts you wanna learn in this book, such as NESD, for use, customer bubble, awareness level, persuasion secret, and many more concepts which are there in the book itself. The bonus tip is these 3 tips will make your writing much easier. Read at least 1 or 2 copy for 30 minutes every day to improve your skill, right? It can be emails, it can be sales pages, ads, whatever you want. If you want to read sales pages, then swipe.io is the best website I can suggest you. And the second one is sign up to the big creators newsletters. They are providing or they are giving you gold mine, right? They are sending you emails again and again and again, right? Every day you can study what they are using, their story, hangers, their CTA, their PS, everything. My suggestion would be go and sign up to these 3 creators, right? Which I like to read their copies and emails as well. Read their emails daily, which will create and which will help your brain to come up with different kind of ideas as well. Okay, don't use both brain part together. Let me explain. Whenever you are writing, you are in the creative mode, right? Your brain is creatively thinking what to write, what not to write, what are the angles, what are the ideas and everything. And whenever you are editing your first draft, then the analytical brain comes in. My suggestion would be brain dump first, right? Whatever you need to write, just write as it is. Then you can do some fancy editing after you're done with your first draft. If you're struggling to start writing, there is a cool tip, right, which I have learned from my mentor, which is copy a great email or sales page as it is. Just copy and paste it for 5 minutes to get into the writing mode. Step 2 is selecting the niche. Most people ask me this question again and again, what niche to select? I am a beginner, what is the best niche? So this is the clear-cut answer from my side. The truth about picking a niche is that you don't need to niche down whenever you're starting, or because as a beginner you don't have your own taste or you don't know what you love to write. The reason I'm saying this, because if you are writing for any niche, just need to watch 2 to 3 hours of their niche videos like podcasts, normal videos, tips, tricks, or you can read the comments and you will get 50% of the knowledge you want to write a great copy. And the rest 20%, it comes from rep and experience. Step 3, the most important one. Once your foundation is done, you need to understand what's the demand and supply of the market. Because if you don't understand this thing, you're gonna stuck in the same loop as I told you before. Whenever I'm starting out, like every beginner, I'm not gonna focus on emails. I'm gonna focus on mastering YouTube scripts. Why? Let's take an example. Every beginner start with email. As a result, the supply is very high compared to the demand. Rather than I should start with YT scripts. As you guys know, personal brand is becoming a big thing, right? Every business owners are creating their personal brand online because they know that this is the future asset for them, right? So they need YT scripts, short form scripts. They want a script writer because the demand is very high and the supply is nothing. So my suggestion would be you should go on this gold rush and start learning how to write a proper YT script. YT scripts can help you to keep your foot in the door. Step one, you can land your client for YT scripts or short form scripts, whatever the creator wants. This helps your client to attract the cold traffic. And the step two would be you can upsell them later on with the emails or sales pages. Why? Because once they gather the cold traffic, they need someone to nurture their traffic, right? So you can pitch the emails for their newsletter, their list, because every creator goal is to attract a bunch of audience and then sell their product or services according to their needs. If you want to master YouTube script, start focusing and start analyzing big creators YouTube script. You can start focusing on their hooks, storytelling, CTA, their step-by-step structure. Write every single day one or two script. It can be long form, short form, depending on you and outreach. This will help you to create a writing habit. Step 4, action plan to get good at the skill of copywriting. Read 3 to 4 copies every single day. As I told you, it can be emails, sales waves, scripts, depending on you, and you have to do it every single day. Write every single day one piece of copy and repeat it for the next 3 to 4 months, and then you'll thank me later because I have done the same thing. I have gone all in on this for 6 months without getting any results, and then I have closed my first client for short form script. Thanks for watching. I hope you found some value out of it. If you have any doubt or queries, just let me know in the comment section. And if you want to know how you can close your first client as a copywriter, check the first link in the description and hit that subscribe button for more valuable content like this.